Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create these kind of amazing column charts in the Google Sheets. These amazing column charts are not difficult to create in the Google Sheets, but only a few more steps required when you have created a column chart to make it like this. And what is the benefit by creating this kind of 3D column charts in the Google Sheet? And if you are a Google Sheet user, then you also know that these kind of column charts are not possible to be created in the Google Sheets. How I have created these kind of column charts in the Google Sheets, let's figure it out together. First of all, let me remove this chart from here so that I can present the demonstration of the creation of this kind of column chart. And also let me do this here. Let me remove this one and change the format to the percentage. Okay, perfect. So this is my name and it is the performance percentages. So I simply need to create this, but to create this kind of 3D column chart, I need another column. Why? Because that will be the difference that will be shown as a 3D glass, in where you will like the fluid is flowing in that glass. So what it will be, just hit the equal and 1 minus this, control enter. Let me change it, let me do some formatting. Okay, perfect. So now it is the right data to be created for the chart. Select the data and insert the chart. Let me insert the chart over here. So to create that kind of column chart, we need to select the right category. So I'm going to select stacked column chart. Okay, so let me take it over here. Let me resize this one so that the name should be appear correctly. I don't need this. Also, I don't need the legends, so that will be none. And the title, you can keep the title as you want, but I don't want to. I just only want the performance percentage. Okay, so first thing first, let me do some styling for the chart. That is, the background should be none and also the border should be none, and also hit the 3D from here so that it will be appear just like a 3D model. And also I don't need the graph lines. That's just double click on it and select the color as white. That is the background of the spreadsheet. And basically the percentages, that the scale over here, so that will be, for this you can also do what you do, come in the number format, go in the other custom format, and in the formatting just type 3 times semicolon and apply. That will be disappeared. And for the performance, I want this to be in the center, bold, not bold, but it should be white for the format. Perfect. And for here, for these bar colors, let me select this one green. Anyway, you can choose the color which you like to be here. So in my case, I like the green, so I have choose the green. For the upper side of the bars, just select the light gray, and here this is the fill opacity. Please select this fill opacity as the 50%. Right, so for the labels where you have the actual percentages, just add the labels. So data labels, bold. Right, so did you see how simply it is to be created in the Google Sheet, just kind of the 3D column chart? If you have learned from this tutorial, please do like this video and also subscribe the channel. And also don't hesitate to share your questions and suggestions in the comments down below. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take your good care and keep watching 5 Minute Session. Fearless.